In this video, we'll take a look at the new browser-based alarm views that can be shown on your desktop or on a monitor located in your NOC or Customer Service Department. The home page displays the total number of alarms as well as the total number of active alarms present in the AlarmTraq database. I can choose to view a display of all the alarms themselves, or if I prefer, I can take a look at just the active alarms in the database. Active alarms are alarms that do not have the cleared flag set to checked, basically. Or I can go ahead and open up either the All Alarms page or the Active Alarms page right from the left-hand side of the menu here. The All Alarms page displays all the alarms starting with the most recent alarms on the top. You can easily view them, as well as if you want to drill down and look at the alarm definition for a particular maintenance object, you can click right on the link from here and it'll bring up a window explaining what that maintenance object definition is. We can also drill down on these alarms by customer. So if I wanted to look at all of the alarms for a particular customer, I can very easily just click on their link and it'll bring up all the alarms for that particular customer, as well as show the product ID and the system type in the header. And from here I can easily go in and delete alarms that I don't need to see anymore just by clicking on any number of the check boxes and clicking on the delete button. The All Alarms display is probably the most useful if you're going to be displaying alarms in your NOC up on a big monitor. What we use here in our development is we like to put this particular page in full screen mode and have that display on the monitor itself in our customer service department, so we can easily see what's going on. Or you can just view it right on your desktop in your customer service department. Again, I'm able to delete any individual alarms I no longer want in the database. Or alternately, especially in the AVAYA Blue or CS1000 world, the alarms typically will not self-clear. So you'll find yourself with an awful lot of active alarms, which we can then go in and automatically set the clear flag on any active alarm in the system. So I can run right down and say, okay, I'm only going to view the active alarms, and we're going to set these particular alarms as clear because we've already dispatched a tech and he's already been able to repair these problems. So I can go ahead and clear them. Clearing them will not remove the alarm from the database. It will simply set the cleared flag to true, so it will not display on the active alarms page. Another option we can look at is site alarms, where we can actually go down and drill down and select individual sites by name, or I can sort them by product ID if I like, if I know the product ID. But if I sort it by site name and go ahead and pick an alarm, it'll give me a graph showing the charts of all the alarms for this particular site, system type, product ID, as well as all the active alarms. And I can, just like I did before, I can view all the alarms for this one site with the ability to delete the alarms if I like, as well as I can take a look at the active alarms, again, just for this one site. In this case, if we go back and take a look at it, it's showing that we have 12 total alarms, 11 minor alarms, and 1 major alarm. I can go in and view the active alarms, and I can go ahead and clear a few of them, which now if I take a look at that site, we'll see our active alarms is now only 10 active alarms because I cleared a couple of the minors. couple other features of the new alarming pages that we've got is the ability to view all the alarms by AlarmTraq server name and be able to view all the alarms in the system generated by which server, as well as a quick link where we can go in and change the notification plans on the fly using a web browser. So no need to go in and edit the database directly or to have to do a remote desktop into the system just because you're changing an email address for a particular site. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you in this display. Quick video just letting you see some of the newer pages that are available today for your AlarmTraq server as well as your web. These web pages are downloadable from the support site as of right now. The only prerequisite is you're going to need the web server is going to require ASP.NET version 4.0 or higher, which should already be installed on any of your Server 2008 or Server 2012 IIS servers. Thanks for watching.